Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Car Jump Distance Interactive Calculator, a specialized tool for calculating vehicle trajectory parameters during ramp launches. This solves the critical engineering problem of predicting vehicle behavior during jumps, essential for stunt design, safety testing, and automotive engineering applications. Let's examine the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 5 options. Calculate jump distance and flight time, calculate required launch velocity, calculate optimal launch angle, calculate landing impact parameters, and calculate maximum height and range. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate Jump Distance and Flight Time. Next, we input launch velocity in kilometers per hour, launch angle in degrees, and ramp height in meters. The calculator also requires vehicle mass in kilograms, drag coefficient, and frontal area in square meters. For certain calculation modes, there's also a target distance field in meters. Let me walk through a realistic example. We'll analyze a 1,500 kilogram vehicle launching at 80 kilometers per hour from a 2-meter high ramp at a 25-degree angle. The vehicle has a drag coefficient of 0.35 and frontal area of 2.2 square meters. After clicking Calculate, the results show our jump distance is approximately 31 meters with a flight time of 2.1 seconds. These outputs tell us the horizontal distance traveled and total air time, critical for ensuring safe landing zones and structural requirements. The calculator accounts for aerodynamic drag effects that significantly impact real-world trajectories. One key insight: never neglect air resistance in your calculations. At highway speeds, drag can reduce jump distance by over 30% compared to idealized projectile motion. Find the link in the description below.